Hey man, what you got in the refrigerator?
She don't know. She hungry.
Yo, go ahead.
What got here?
Shit, nigga, let go.
Got the tea.
T.
Chips Ahoy.
Chips Ahoy.
Ahoo.
Oh. Milk.
Got the hot dog.
Dog.
Got the cheese.
The cheese.
The mayonnaise.
My nigga TP.
Of the hot
My
sauce.
nigga TP.
I want a punch.
Free my nigga TP.
Got the rice.
Free my nigga TP.
Got the breadstick.
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 There it is.
And it ain't molded, bitch.
Macaroni nut shells.
Oh, bitch, that
Got the ham. Got the salt.
Free my nigga. Free my nigga. Free my nigga. Free my nigga. Free my nigga.
Lasagna.
Free my nigga TP.
It's cool.
Free my nigga TP.
Got the egg.
Moment of silence.
Cool pop.
Moment of silence.
Moment of silence for the
Hey,
beat.
Ray.
Moment of silence for the beat we're about to kill. Lord bless this beat. Now let's go back now. Free my nigga TP.
Sidekick.
Free my nigga TP.
Mozzarella sticks. Fucking ice.
Where the ice at? Yeah, go on top of the refrigerator now. What there?
That's the refrigerator wrap, bitch.
Hey, that motherfucker ate them fruit kill them motherfucker good.
Hey man, that's all you got in your refrigerator? That's some good shit, man.
Goddamn macaronis and cheese.
Yeah, I'll take this. Let's put it in the microwave. Okay, let's go.
Goddamn tuna salad. Goddamn fucking cooked bread. Goddamn.
That shit. All right, we gonna take macaroni.
Bottle fucking water. Hey, ketchup and shit, nigga.